Bok, it's Ren here. Today I'm at the market in Croatia. Dobro jutro, good morning. Dobro jutro, good morning. Koliko koštaju jabuke? How much do the apples cost? 2 eura za kilogram. 2 euros for a kilogram. Dobro, molim 1 kilogram. Good, 1 kilogram, please. Još nešto? Anything else? Da, molim 1 kilogram krumpira. Yes, 1 kilogram of potatoes, please. Izvolite here. Još nešto? Anything else? Ne hvala. No, thank you. To je sve. That's everything. Ukupno je 5 eura. Altogether, it's 5 euros. Hvala. Thank you. Hvala vama. Doviđenja. Thank you. Goodbye. Let's learn some useful words for when we're at the market. Koliko, how much, ukupno, altogether. Molim 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram, please. Molim pola kilograma. Half a kilogram, please. Uzet ću 1 kilogram, molim. I'll take 1 kilogram, please. Uzet ću, I'll take. Uzet ću kruh. I'll take the bread. We can use želim, I want, but uzet ću sounds natural and friendly. Uzet ću jabuke. I'll take the apples. Uzet ću sir. I'll take the cheese. Expensive, skupo. Ovo je preskupo. This is too expensive. Cijena, price. Jeftino, cheap. Hvala što ste gledali. Thank you for watching.